Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a scratchy potentiometer in very easy steps. This is very common issue. This is happening because dust and oxidation build up over time and the metal contact inside doesn't connect smoothly. Let's hear what it sounds like. To fix the issue, we need to clean up the potentiometers. So first of all, I need to take off the screws and pickguards to see what's inside. To clean the potentiometer, I am using the deoxit or any contact cleaner made for electronics. We need to spray into the pot. After that, rotate the knob back and forth about 20-30 times to spread the cleaner evenly. Now, plug in your guitar and check if it works. And that's it, no more noise. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more guitar tips. See you in the next one.